Hello, in this video I'll show you how this 2002 CRV is just as great as a pickup. As you can see, this is an older one, manual 5-speed manual transmission, still has the cassette radio, and I have a 9-foot garage door, and I'm going to show you what's great about this SUV. As you can see, the back windshield opens up, has the little gas shocks here. I just make sure those are good, and so when you go on a bump, the window does not smash down. I flip down the front passenger seat and the rear passenger seat just to get this in there. As you can see, the door closes, so you don't have to bungee your door and drive with it open. Here I'm going to show you, I just had to remove the headrest on the front and rear seat, and it allows any long item to just go into the car easily. It just reached there, the dashboard. The dashboard is pretty tough on this car, or this SUV. Just put it there carefully. If you really care about your car, then go ahead and rent a U-Haul or something. But this is just a vehicle that is used like a utility vehicle. So if my seat is like that, it's not a big issue. I don't recommend bungeeing the windshield down because you could scratch the frost line. So I just left it open and drove it that way from hardware store. So yeah, as you can see, this vehicle does the job of a pickup, and it's great on gas. So this model is a 2002 through 2006 CRV. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.